So one thing you always have to be careful of when you're working with money is that things make sense. You're not going to see the video because I'm not going to have a wrong video up here. But I went through and did this, and I got an answer. I didn't ever get there, but I knew I was going to get an answer of like 1.5 years, which didn't make any sense. I couldn't figure out what I did wrong. I just typed something in the calculator wrong. All right, so we're going to start over again. And I accidentally erased my. Hopefully I didn't erase the one above it, did I? No. I erased my formula, so let me write formula down. A of t equals P1 plus R over N times T. So what I was saying is it's very important to think about what you're getting and understand at least a little bit about it to know if it's kind of realistic or not. It was not realistic for this money to triple in 1 year. I knew that. I couldn't see what I did as I was scanning through. It was just a calculator mistake. If you look in here, I'll show you what it is in a second. But let's go through and start over. 2,500 is the amount that I start with. It pays 4% interest. Compounded monthly, that's my N. How long will it take to triple my money? That's going to be my ending amount. If I triple 2,500, I get 7,500. Okay, so there's it's 12 times T. There's my formula. I'm looking for the exponent, so I 100% have to change the form. I have to isolate the base and the exponent, which means I have to move that 2,500. I'm going to put the parenthesis part into the calculator. And if you look, this is what I typed in the calculator before. It never dawned on me that I did not do that right. But it shouldn't be 1.04. It should just be 0.04. All right, which should give me 1.003, which makes a lot more sense. Okay, and now I'm going to change the base to log base 1.003 of 3 equals 12t. All right, so I'm going to do that. Then let's go ahead and do alpha window 5. It's log base this of 3 is 330.132. 330.132 equals 12t. And then I'm going to divide this by 12, and it's going to be close to 30 years. 27.511. 27 and a half years. What did it say to round to? How long will it take? So it doesn't really say what to round to, so this kind of leaves it wide open here. I would never round it to 27 years, even if I wouldn't round this 27 years anyways. I'm going to say 28 years. But what my little piece of information there is when you do some of this stuff, you got to think about it. If it was 27.2, 27 years didn't get it to double. So if you're rounding to the nearest year, you'd have to round up no matter what. That's real life rounding, and it requires more thinking than just blind round to the closest number.